What's up, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are calling us on air. Thank you very much, everyone. First and foremost, let me say Happy New Year. This is a new year. I saw this market, I've analyzed the market a bit. I could have done a video last night, but I didn't do it because of some little things. But here's what I'm trying to say. First and foremost, Happy New Year to everyone, both my patronizers, both those that watch my videos, both those that don't. I am here saying Happy New Year to all y'all. You get it? I'm really, really happy there's a new year, a new beginning, a new season, a new setup, a new kind of platform of operating in the Forex trading market. So, yesterday, because this market opened back yesterday night on the 3rd of January. Yesterday night, you understand? So that is the Eastern time, you get it? So here is what is there. From what I can see here, I've analyzed this market since last year. That is an uptrending market. As we speak right now, it's still an uptrending, just like I said last year. That is an uptrending market that is swinging up. It keeps swinging up. You get it? Should you look at it, this is Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. So it's still swinging up. You get it? It's not stop. It has not stopped. Should you look at what I said? I said, just check what I wrote last year. You understand? I said GDP, GBP USD. This market is an uptrending market for the 4th week of December 2020, and my analysis tells me it's an uptrending market. You get it? So my analysis tells me on the 4th week of December that this is still an uptrending market. You understand that it will keep going, and should we look at it, what is here, it still keep going. You get it? It didn't stop. It still keep going. You get me? So as it is like this, to me, honestly. So I'm still in this trade, please, people try to understand. So people, before we further, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could help me like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of our social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. You get it? I'll really appreciate it if you could do this for us. And for now, that is just it. I'm trying to clone. I'm trying to clone this these candles. I'm trying to set the trend line. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to reset the trend lines. You get me? So I'm coming. One thing about the market is that when the market changes wave, you get it? When the market change wave, you have to change the direction of the balance as well. You get it? So it comes like this. I bring this here. Bring this here. The market is doing exactly as forecasted. Exactly. No difference. You get it? So, to me, for now, this is the latest. You get it? This is the latest. So, this is what I'll call the latest right now. You understand? So, the era of this, the era of this curving trend has ended. You understand? The era of this curving trend has ended. It's forming another momentum. It's still an uptrend market, but that does not say I should remove this curving trend. It's gonna be there. You get it? It's going to be here. I'm not removing it. You get it? It's the statistics of the market. So I'm not gonna say, I'm not gonna temper it, I'm not gonna touch it. So should you just look at it, it's exactly as we said. You get it? So people, please, what really makes this market so special that Great Britain pound is dominating over USD? What can you tell me? What can you tell me that happened in the market that really makes Great Britain pound to dominate over USD? Okay, should I want to say, I could say, well, what really makes Great Britain pound to dominate over USD is not just because of the climbing up wave, you understand? It's because of the international market balance. You get it? International market balance. Right now, US dollar in the capital market, it's getting more expensive. In the foreign exchange market, it's getting more expensive, but it's not really doing much. It's not really, it's not really the international transaction volume is somehow low right now. You get it? So, but to me, should I say I should look at it? I'll say no. USD is a very funny currency, so should it want to retrace, it will retrace in a way that you guys won't be able to believe it. You get me? So let's just get down to business. So what really makes this market to keep climbing up? What really makes the market to keep climbing up are many. You get it? Let's say, for example, there's a bullish candle here on October 21st, 2020, a bullish candle open and it got to this very state. A bullish candle open from let me see how many pips. 29, 35, 29, 53. Okay, 953 to 31, 51. 53, 31, 51. Okay, so a candlestick jump from here to here, like 60 or 70 pips. You understand? The candlestick jump from on the 21st of October. You understand? When it jumps to this avenue, on the 22nd of October, a bearish candle took place. That is USD trying to gain power. And should you look at it, USD was weak. The strength wasn't really there. It got to this place on the 29th of October. So it went a little bit bullish. It wasn't really setting. On the 2nd of October, on the 3rd of October, the market took another direction and it kept climbing up. It kept climbing up. It kept climbing up. Till it climbed up till December 4th. December 4th, US dollar tried to fight it. It broke a trend line, but because it wasn't strong enough, it had to reverse again. So it reversed from December 11th. It reversed till December 17th. December 18th, US dollar tried to prove itself again till December 22. And from December 22, Great Britain pound climbed up again. You understand? It keep climbing up. You get it? It keep climbing up. So to me, people, though I've seen this since last night, before this very December candle, this last candle of the year closed on October, before the candle closed on Thursday, December. You get it? Before the candle closed, I saw this candle. You get it? So this very candle closed yesterday night. You get me? Sorry, let me put my flag on a new direction. You get it? So this very candle closed yesterday night. This very bullish candle, it's closed yesterday night. You understand? So since it closed yesterday night, another new candle opened. This is the real January candle that opened. This is December/January candle. You understand? This is the candle that end the year and begin a new year, and this is the fresh candle that begin in the new year. for Great Britain pound USD. You get it? So this now is still an uptrending market. So please, people, do not doubt it. Do not doubt it. Let me show you guys another thing. You know, Great Britain USD is still going to try to fight, but you know, Great Britain pound is still going to go up. But apart from that, please watch. Watch. Do you hear what I said? Watch. Let me show you another thing. Let me show you guys another thing. Because from what I could see here, you know, US dollar is very, very tricky. So when you trade it, you have to be highly calculated. So from the price action statistics that I can see here, let me show you something that I just saw now. You get it? So, you know, it's an uptrending market. I'm not doubting it. But, no, there's a tendency of it doing this. Okay. So should this not happen? If this did not happen in 2 days time, it means it will not happen for now. You get it? So there's a possibility and tendency for the candle to do like this, but believe me when I say, people, it's an uptrending market and it's still an uptrending market. You get me? So please don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. It's an uptrending market. I'm not second guessing it, but you have to watch when you trade. You get it? You have to watch when you trade. It's either it goes up direct or it tries to bounce in this place and it reverse back up. You get it? So people, just take your time to study this trade and tell me what you see in this market. So people, please like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. So people, not more than this for now. See you in my next video. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one. See you in my next video.